yummy chicken. Whoa, what is that? That's an onion. We need to mix that with some food because if we eat it just by itself, that will be not a very good taste. We'll have stinky breath. Look, Kayla. Want some bread? Look, Victor wants some bread. There, some toast. Sophia, would you like a bun? That's bread too.
Into place, buddy.
Yeah, that's really good. Sophie, her diaper is a little bit wet, yeah. Come, Sophie, gonna go see Ashley? Get a diaper. She has a carrot. Look, carrot. Oh, her little outfit. Did she bring the hat today? Careful, Sophia. Whoa! Oh, man. Oh, man. Did it fall on the floor? Look, want some pie? Apple pie. There you go. Want some pie? Did you have fun with Nona? Did you play with Nona?
Have Nona very busy. Right.
We missed you. We missed you.
Tired.